Circumferential expansion is important because this is how you create a stable foundation for your diaphragm. And your diaphragm is the main driver of respiration. So anything related to lung health, to lung capacity, any of those things, it all comes back to how well your diaphragm is moving and how well it's doing its job. So for this, we're going to lay down on your backs, hands on your lower ribs, just like when we were working on our breathing mechanics. Apply pressure, inhale, drive the hands out away from your spine. Again, we want to make sure that we are expanding circumferentially here, because what happens is the diaphragm acts as an umbrella at the bottom of your rib cage. As it expands, your diaphragm descends and it can pull more air in with every single breath. Now, we don't just breathe lying on our backs, so we can progress this into different positions. Next, we can go into a bridge, focusing on the same movement, low and wide through the body with a circumferential expansion. Or we can move into a quadruped position. So here, hands under shoulders, knees under hips, breathing in and focusing on expanding the lower body. This becomes more difficult because you don't have the feedback from your hands. So you have to focus on making sure that you're flaring out your lower ribs. You can progress even further by lifting your knees up off of the floor. And moving into other positions such as a squat or a lunge. Any of these positions are going to help you to improve this circumferential expansion, which is absolutely essential for proper diaphragm function.